Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Makeup Divas, and today's video is a Dooney and Bourke handbag unboxing video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this Dooney and Bourke handbag unboxing video. And ladies, this video is all about what is in this box right here. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies everything that you need to know, why I got this handbag, where did I get this handbag. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies everything that you need to know about this handbag that I am adding to my handbag collection. Now, if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, hair product review videos, and home decor videos in my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. I'm really excited for me to go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag I picked up from the Dooney and Bourke website. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I upload videos once a week in my channel. Now, of course, I've been really busy. I haven't really been uploading a lot of videos in my channel lately because I've been really busy. And I actually have one of my subscribers was asking me, Josephine, where are you? You know, what happened to your videos? Well, I am still here, ladies. I just been really super busy, but I am going to continue to upload videos on my channel once a week. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get back to the box. I'm going to go ahead and open this, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag I picked up. And the reason why I picked up this handbag is because I realized that I didn't really have any Dooney and Bourke handbags in my handbag collection. I have Chanel, I also have Christian Dior, I have Louis Vuitton, I also have Hermes Birkins in my collection, but I do not have a Dooney and Bourke handbag. So I am going to go ahead and open this up. So let me go ahead and start with the unboxing. Okay, I got my scissors here. I'm really excited to share with you ladies what handbag I picked up from the Dooney and Bourke website. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box and share with you ladies how they package the box. Okay, so here is the box right here. This is how they package it. Okay, and as you can see, they did a really wonderful, amazing job packaging the handbag. Okay, here it is right here. Okay, now can you guess what it is? I am really excited. Okay. Go ahead and open this up. So it comes in this plastic right here, and here is the tag right here. Okay, so this is kind of like the, I guess, the name of the bag and the order. This is kind of like the order slip, one of the order slips, like the tag. And really excited, ladies. Okay, here she is. I ordered the Zip satchel. This is the Hydrangea in Pink Zip satchel. So this is what I ordered. And I have been looking for this bag everywhere, okay? So let me go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna be real careful here. And this is a really, really nice silhouette. I think I might get me another zip satchel because I really, really adore the silhouette. Okay, so I took off the stuff that was on the handles. So this is her right here, the Dooney and Bourke Zip Satchel Hydrangea Pink. Okay, so the official name of this bag, because I want to say it correctly, is Zip Satchel Pink. So that's what I ordered on the website, and I ordered the pink hydrangea flowers. Really, 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 really pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and unstuff her. So it comes with a strap. Let me go ahead and cut the strap. It's attached to the key holder. So here is the strap. Here it is, right here. Let me kind of undo the strap. So the strap, I guess you can wear it as, instead of carrying the bag on the crook of your arm, you could also wear it around your shoulders. Boy, they did a really good job packaging. Okay. And I've decided to do this video out here because it's so pretty outside in the patio area. So I'm actually filming in my backyard in the patio area. So here is the straps for the bag. And it also have like a key finder. And they really, really stuffed her. I'm probably going to be keeping the stuffing so I can keep her shape. Boy, they really stuffed her. Okay, and here it is. Okay, and here's the inside. As you can see, it's really, really, really big. And this is what I picked up. The Dooney and Bourke Zip Satchel in pink hydrangea. Now they do have on the website also a purple and also a blue. I ended up getting the pink because I have lots and lots and lots of pink clothing in my wardrobe, and so I've decided to go ahead and get the pink. And also I have a lot of neutrals and a lot of other colors that are neutral that I can actually pair with this handbag. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, ladies, is I'm gonna go ahead and do a thorough review. I'm gonna go ahead and wear her a few times, and then afterwards, probably in the next few weeks, I'll do a review on this handbag and kind of share with you ladies everything that you need to know about this handbag if you're thinking about getting it. And like I said, this is I wanted to pick up a Dooney and Bourke handbag to add to my handbag collection, and this is it right here. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review probably in the next few weeks. And I'm also going to be doing a lookbook video styling her. Okay, so I'm going to share with you ladies how you can style a bag like her that kind of have all the print and everything. She is chic, she is elegant, she is sophisticated, and she is sexy. Look at her. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching, ladies, this Dooney and Bourke handbag unboxing video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Next time, I'm probably going to be doing a makeup tutorial, because I haven't really done a makeup tutorial in this channel for a very long time. So please check out my makeup tutorials, fashion style videos, hair product review videos, and home decor videos as well. So thank you very much. Bye-bye and God bless.